Alright guys, what's up? It is Patrick Hammett, and today we're going to be talking about social reality, or SRAX, on the NYSE. And so Q1, their earnings report just came out. I phoned in earlier. I heard the conversation with the CEO, Christopher Milino, I think his last name is. And basically, I think it was pretty cool what they had to say. They're working on something really cool right now called Big Token. And what Big Token is basically, so basically, you know how you would have your, so let's say you're on Facebook and you have your user account and everything. You put your information on Facebook, and basically what Facebook does is take your information and they sell it off to marketers or just people who need advertising information so that they can, like, you know, target certain products towards these people, right? So basically what SRAX is trying to do is cut out that middleman. So in this example, the middleman is Facebook, right? Because Facebook is taking people's information, selling it to companies, right? So what SRAX wants to do is basically allow you, the user, to sell your own information to companies. That way you can get the money instead of Facebook. And I think that's really cool. I think that that's a cool passive income stream for anybody out there. And they're currently in beta testing, and I see the value in that because, you know, first of all, like I just said, it's passive. It's a passive income stream. You can, and they even told, they said that you could choose what companies could see that information, which companies can you know, get your information. You can choose by like a click of a button to determine like who gets what, and you can also track where the data goes through a blockchain system. So they're implementing a blockchain infrastructure, and I think that's so cool because you can keep track of where your data is going. So a lot of cool stuff going on with SRAX. They got a lot of other crap going on for them. Like they have SRAX Shopper. That's for like shopping, marketing. I don't know. I haven't looked too much into that. They also have something called SRAX Auto. They have, geez, let me see. I wrote down some notes, man. I mean, it was a pretty long thing. So let's see, yeah, so SRAX Shopper, SRAX Auto, let's see, on their main website, what else they got. I mean, you guys could look at this yourself, but bottom line, I think the biggest thing that's going on for them right now is definitely Big Token, and they just kept on talking about that on the phone call. So yeah, oh yeah, they're working on cloud stuff at SRAX platform. SRAX Social, so they're combining social media management platforms, and let's see, SRAX Fan, so sports fan solution enables marketers to connect with current and potential sports fans at home. So yeah, they're working on a bunch of stuff, but for me personally, I really like the idea of Big Token, which is what they're working on. So that's huge. And so let me give you a little financial. So basically their gross margin came in this quarter at 61%, which I think is pretty freaking good, because overall you want a company to have like a really good gross margin. That way it's profitable. It's a profitable business. Let's see, gross revenue 2.1 million. Okay, not bad, but they came in at a loss of 36 cents per share. So I don't know, guys, not bad. I mean, for a new, you know, for relatively a new company on the exchange, they still got a long way to grow. I mean, this is a buy and hold, guys. This is definitely a buy and hold. They went up like 150% the last year, so I think it's totally a buy and hold. And let's see something from let's see some things from Yahoo Finance here. So let's see. They closed, okay, look, they closed in at 4.46, but right now on Robinhood, during after hours and during the earnings call, they actually did come down. They're at 3.70 a share, but honestly, guys, I'm going to buy more because this Big Token thing is, right now, it's just like in beta testing, and we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if this thing is going to pop. I think it has a lot of cool innovation behind it. I mean, like I said, I think it's a really cool passive income stream for anybody out there, and you can choose to send your data to anyone and track it. And there's a lot more that goes in behind that. You can actually go to SRAX and look into some documentation that they have. It's pretty cool stuff. They go really in depth. If you go and check out the executive summary of what BitToken has to offer, they go so in depth, guys. It's not even funny. They go so in depth on how it works. So that's what I like about SRAX. There's so much documentation that they have. Unlike other companies, like I recently tried to get into Denbury, but they barely have anything as far as I know. So yeah, these guys, they know what they're doing. They really care. They really want to innovate, and they're still new on the exchange. And like I said, they went up 150% last year. I think that's a good indicator of good management. If any of you have read The Intelligent Investor, I mean, any sign of growth is just a good sign of management and professionalism on part of the company itself. So even though they aren't where they want to be right now, they will be soon. It might be in a year, 2 years, or 3, but definitely this BitToken thing is going to go flying. Now, don't confuse this for the BitToken, the real estate crypto. That's a different token. I mean, what they're doing right here, big, it stands for something. It stands for oh geez, let's see, big. It stands for, because it's not the same. Let's go to their website here. It stands for blockchain identification graph. Okay, cool. So consumer empowerment, compensation, data verification and authentication, open source governance and development. So it's even open source. I think that's cool, man. That's really cool. So I'm really excited about that. Oh yeah, they're also working on some medical stuff with pharmaceutical clients, healthcare professionals, patients. Yeah, so I haven't looked that much into those other industries that they're focusing on, but definitely that BitToken idea is super cool. I mean, if you look at any like passive income app out there, they're all making bank. Like look at Shopify. Like Shopify is one of those companies that promised, you know, passive income through building your own store online, and look at where they are right now. They're at like 188 a share, something like that, around that ballpark, maybe a little less or more, but they're pretty expensive right now. And man, I mean, that's one source of passive income, and there's a bunch of other ones I can't think off the top of my head, but you can look them up. So yeah, guys, passive income is like that hot thing right now. People want it now. People want to get extra money on the side. Oh, Airbnb, that's another good example. Airbnb is a great source of passive income. Share any space, you know, that you have for people, get extra money. So there's a lot of apps out there that allow people to get some passive income, and this is a great tool for passive income in the future. I just signed up for the beta testing, so I'm waiting for them to give me the verification and the okay so I can start using BitToken. But I definitely encourage you guys to try it out. Go to SRAX, sign up for BitToken, check it out yourself. I will post up a video soon if I get accepted into the beta testing program, and I will show you guys exactly how it works, and maybe even the UI and stuff like that. Because I like the idea of what they're doing, and I see a lot of value in that, and I see how it can help people. And actually, you know, it helps people because you know where your data is going. It's, you know, when you put your information on Facebook, you don't know where it's going. You don't know which company has what, and you don't know who has it. So that's the biggest downfall of Facebook right now. And SRAX, they have a great idea, and you can track it at any time with the click of a button. You can tell where it is, which companies have it. You can click like, you know, if the company can use it right now or not. So if the button is off, that means they don't have access to it. etc., etc. And I think that's so cool. I don't think anyone else has done that with blockchain. I think that's really cool. You know, I don't believe in cryptos. I really don't believe in cryptocurrency. But I do believe right now in this right what they're doing, and I also believe in this other crypto that's not. They have the same name, but they're completely different. So Big Token, the actual crypto itself, is basically based off of real estate, and it's based off the value of real estate. So I remember one time, I think it was a week ago, that Warren Buffett came out and he was like, you know, I don't like cryptos because they're not income producing assets. And the funny thing is that this crypto, Big Token, is an income producing asset, because real estate, it goes up in value or it can go down. It's just like anything else. So I think I see value in that too, in the sense that, you know, if housing and real estate goes up, then Big Token might go up too. So that's a completely different crypto. I won't talk too much in depth about it, but you guys can check it out. I'll put some links in the description and all that stuff. But this Big Token, the SRAX Big Token, it's a totally different thing, and it's an app that they're working on, and I think it has potential, guys. I really do think it has potential. So as of today, the stock markets are closed, and we're down at about 3.70 a share. So I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I expected something better during after hours trading, but I think that in the long run, SRAX will go up if this thing catches on. Maybe I'm one of the few people who are catching on to it early enough. I mean, it has so little volume. Like there was only like 100,000 people trading today. So that's their volume, and their market cap is really small, guys. It's like, let's check it out right now. Their market cap is at about 43.6 million. Okay, so that's pretty small. They only have 109 employees. So imagine, guys, imagine the potential that they have. They were founded in 2010, for Christ's sake. So, wow, guys. Oh, okay, average volume is 600,000. Yeah, so very, very small. They don't even have a price to earnings ratio yet. And actually, during the earnings call, they were mentioning something about share buybacks, and also, oh geez, man, I wrote some notes down. Let's see. Yeah, well, basically, it's just buybacks, and they're thinking about giving investors dividends. That was another. So those two main things. So with buybacks, I think that, you know, any share can go up fast as soon as a company starts buying back their own shares, because number one, there will be less shares for people to buy, so the demand will just go up, supply low. It's just basic stuff. And then the whole dividend idea, I mean, if you get into this company early right now at like $3 or $4, I mean, the dividend yield is just insane for like the future, you know, if they have a consistent dividend gain. So guys, I think it's a great buy and hold. You might have a different opinion, but I will be sticking to SRAX. Alright, I'll be making more videos. I also think that oil is going up too this year, but and gaming as a whole. I'll make more videos about that, but I just wanted to update you guys with SRAX because I think it has a lot of potential, guys. If you want to disagree with me, please, I encourage it. I encourage the discussion. Tell me if you saw something that I didn't, so that maybe, you know, I can rethink my position. But guys, please have a discussion. Come talk to me, comment, and just bring more people in the conversation. I'll put a link to my Discord chat so we can all talk and discuss some stocks, some companies, and what people are doing nowadays in the stock market and what people are looking at the most. Okay, guys, and I'll be putting some more stock videos. I'll try to do it daily now that school is ending soon. and I'm gonna work on a camera. I'm still camera shy. I'm trying, really trying, but I will try to get a camera soon, a better camera, because I know this is annoying to look at. I probably hate looking at videos like this, but I just wanted to get my opinions to you guys out there fast enough, because I want you guys to hop on board this train and encourage you guys to invest with me, because this is an experiment, and I think we have a lot of potential this year to make some money, because everybody else is doing it. Well, not everybody else, but a lot of people are doing it, and if we can make at least an extra $100 here and there, I mean, that's great, right? I already made 20% of my initial investment. Hopefully it won't go down with SRAX if they keep going down, because I did lose a little bit today. However, I do have some other stocks that are doing really well for me. I'm a little diversified. I don't want to be too diversified. I just have 3 stocks right now. A lot of people go 20, 25, but I don't know. I think that's nonsense. I just chose 3 quality stocks, and what I do is I try to swing trade, and I don't like the idea of day trading. I hate that. I actually don't encourage that. It's very risky for a beginning investor like me or anybody else around here. So yeah, that's just a separate topic though, guys. I don't want this video to get too long. I just wanted to give you guys that basic understanding of SRAX. I know it was a little floppy here and there, but I try to make more videos about it, more organized. I'm just so excited right now because I think tomorrow I'm going to wake up and this is going to go up. Hopefully I'm right. If I'm not, then we all make mistakes, but I'm going to be holding it. I'm going to hold this for a while and see what goes on, because they have really great growth and I see a lot of potential in what they're doing. Alright guys, so that'll be it. Please comment, subscribe, whatever you got to do. Let's make money this year, baby, alright? Peace and love. Patrick Hammond, signing off.